salmon color for sale, turquoise for buy. I'm at my 1 hour. As we can see, we have a uptrend for the most current. Right now, it was supposed to go down, so I'm going to still be in faith that it's going down. The 1 week, I am going to take my top trend and I'm going to take it from the top to the bottom. If I go through there, you see it's cutting through this. So let's take it lower. And if I take it here, this is even better because it's cutting through all of this. The bottom, top, top, in the middle, it's going through some stuff, top and bottom. So I can leave it here, or I can just take that and go to the tip top. Most people say, oh, if you don't want to lose any pips, you have to do this top line. But if we really look at it, there is a lot of holding on this line. I'm going to leave it there. People talk about too many lines, but it's okay. People are going to say what they want to say. Okay, so now I'm at the daily. We're still going to current uptrend. We still have this top line as helping us out. I am going to take this top line and bring it down. See how when we bring it down some, we have touches, touches, squishy belly, touches, squishy belly right there. And then as we go down a little bit more, as we hold this up, look at here. It's holding it up. Look at right there. So trend is your friend. Market structure is your friend ultimately. So as we look here, I'm going to hold it there just because that's what I'm seeing. So now I'm at daily. I'm going to also do a little structure line here. And I'm doing this, guys, I wasn't even looking back over here. I did it because I see boom, boom. If I go in the past, look at that. Look at this. Your eyes, when you mark up charts, your eyes will see what is going on. I did that, and I'm going to do this. Ha! I only looked here. Boom. But boom, boom, boom. Look at what happens. Just train your eyes. Only thing I'm encouraging is getting your eyes to see this stuff. So I'm at daily. I'm going to 4 hours. As you guys know, in the 4 hours is where I get most of my detail. I want to do my zone areas. My girlfriend was using this, and when she used it, she made things different. So I got to change my colors. And again, we have 2 household people here who trade. So I'm like marking my trades, and she's marking her trades, and we're going against each other. Look at her trade. This is her. We all have different ways of marking trades. It doesn't matter the different ways you mark trades as long as you continuously keep marking it up like that. So I have something here. I'm seeing something over here. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to bring it down here. I'm bringing it here because boom, 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 boom. So many booms. Okay, right? So this is on my 4 hour. Always remember when you make these determinations, extend it into the future. Why? Because these are places where you are looking for it to react in the future. I did my 2 little trend zones there. I have to be true, and I have to show you guys this. This right here and this right here. I gotta show this to you because Take my little top one off. And this one off. Because ultimately, really, look at that. Look at this trend line. Trend lines are bomb, are key. Doesn't matter where you do them, how you do them, just do your trend line. So I'm looking at CAD yen, and although CAD yen should be going into sale, look at this. It's at the bottom. There is, and I have to be open to the market pattern. The market pattern is saying that it's going to hit this and fall back down. Recently, it broke it. So that's why we're seeing a continuation of the uptrend. But a lot of my masters, they're like, okay, mahogany, it's going to break it. And they saw this. They saw it falling down. So I was in the sale. I caught this. Let's go in. I caught this sale because we all saw it go into a sale. It fell down, reacted here. Newton's law, for every action, there is a reaction, an equal reaction, and it reacted. Look at this. And it fell down. And then it consolidated. It didn't know what to do. And then it fell back and fell or rose back up. You have to be open to what is going on in the market. The market tells you everything. No matter that I wanted to go down, the market went up. And it makes sense. Even though I wanted to go down and everybody's going down, I'm marking this up. And it's telling me it has to go up, which it did. So what we're doing is we are zooming in to see what's going to happen here at this level. There may be some consolidation. It may just go ahead and just burst through. But here, look at that. It typically holds. It went through, so maybe it'll do me another one and it'll go higher. That's possible. We're marking the charts about what we think will not happen. And as I look at this, what will not happen? What will not happen is that it will not hit this piece, this area and react. It has to do something here. It will not just ignore this area and keep on going up or keep on going down. There's something that's going to go on here. So for the meantime, what I'm seeing is that as we get closer, see the reaction? I'm on an hour. I'm going to go to 15. You see that? Even more reaction there. So right now, CAD yen, we do not know what is going on. Be open. Be open for it to fly up. Be open for it to hit this and fall down because it's at the top. Look what happened here at the top. It fell back down to come and respect the zone, and it flew up. It fell down, and it just went crazy. So right now we're at a place where just let the market tell you what's going to do. 15 minutes for entry. Right now, as you can hear, guys, we have people outside making sure that where we live at is beautiful and all the lawn is cut. But right here, it's bouncing off the top. So right now, currently, I am looking for it to buy, which it has been doing. So, guys, only thing I'm showing you is that the market will do what it does. No matter your markup, you have to mark up according to what is going on. Look at my RSI. Look at it's above the 70. That is telling all of us it's going to sell. So my indicators, it's saying it's going to sell. But we all know an indicator will say it's going to sell, and you can just pop up into a buy. That's just how it goes. So again, this is Mahogany showing you just some workup for CAD yen for October the 16th. This should help you guys for the whole entire week. Let's see what's going to happen today. Let's see how things are going to play out. And then we have to mark this up again Sunday. But we will not know what's going to happen until we have more action, because we're at a place where reaction is going to consolidate us. Anyway, have a great day. I hope and I know this helps somebody. If you want me to be able to help you and teach you, trade with mahogany.online. The information is at the bottom of my screen. Click on it, get information, reach out to me. Send me email. My email address is down there too. All right, guys, take care. Bye.